I got up and drank some water and then peed a ton, all of that while in bed. My towel was on the floor by the couch. I didn't realize at first, but when I walked back to the couch, I saw Ben was sleeping on his side, facing me, and awake. We made eye contact until I got close to the couch and he flipped sideways and had his back facing me. I then decided to squeeze myself into this small space on the inner side of his sleeping spot. He was surprised at first but then opened his arms to let me have some space. We cuddled for a little while until he started to sniff my head and said, "I'm glad you showered last night." I lifted up my head from his chest and just kissed him. We were making out and he moved his hand to my already wet wimp and teased my CLT. I slipped my hand down his pants and his morning wood was already hard as F. I got up and stripped his pants and climbed to ride him. I was riding him slowly yet always all the way down balls deep. He pulled me down to kiss me while I was still sitting on his PP balls deep. He then hugged me to keep me in place and he started to pound me so effing fast and deep. I buried my face on his neck to lower down my moan. He kept effing me like that until he wanted to get up